everybody, I'm back playing some Battle of Warships, and we will be getting straight into it. Let's get straight into one. Sorry for late upload. I have been trying to get upload, and all of them have just been cutting off in the middle. I really hate it. I really do. Wish this would get better. I got one that was up to 6 minutes, almost at the end. If I could just end it, that would be better. But instead of just going away, I hate that. I think I've been pressing the button there. There's a red button on face cam. I think I've been pressing it. Okay, straight into one. It's just like taking forever for my guns to just turn. Oh, I got that. Oh, those are auto. Oh, I think I might just be playing against the same people. When I played on that last round on the 6-minute game. Who knows? Oh, it's been really hard to just get a quick video. I know I let go of my phone, but it's so good. Yeah, I should get out maybe better, but I'm trying to get uploads as long as I can. It's just I can't. Oh, people are already firing at us. I'm far back at you, but kill us already from the start. Oh, they go right over and oh no, I think one of our guys are going down. Who the heck is this guy? Like, I'm not sure if I can point, but he's like, I'm pointing at you guys now. It's you guys. You guys are controlling this. Let's see, can we fire hit? Oh, so close. Oh, they're getting loads of hits off, but they are getting really damaged. Yeah, any lucky shots? Okay, I get like no lucky shots, so yeah. Ooh, I might just go this way. Those guys are like, I'll just go this way. That's probably easier. They have ladder here. Police car. Boom. Just round the way. Oh, he's backing up. That's right. You don't know him. You don't know what he's Oh my god, who the heck just fired at me from like 50 meters away? Oh, it's not even 50. It's like 230. I didn't even see. Everybody gets stuff wrong, right?
Babies do all the time. They don't even know what the word buffoon when minions speak is. So that's why babies basically lack intelligence. I'm not saying that they're no offense if a baby's watching. Babies sometimes watch YouTube from Who's Your Daddy. Oh, I'm gonna die. No, 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 no. Low health, low health. Oh, my team is losing. 4 to 5. Oh, no. Okay, all of that should hit. Out. No, I should just. You know what? Game. Stop and hide. Stop and hide. Shoot and hide. Speed up! Speed up, speed up, speed up. Who's winning right now? Oh, they're winning. That person going after that person. It says that I'm this far away. I will never dodge. Oh my god. I'm really half the game. Look. I'm going this fast. I'm the Flash. I'm water. Hello, ship. Okay, where'd that ship go? Am I actually still yeah, I think this is the ship. Look. Aboard your boat, boy. But, yeah, back to the menu. 6 gold. What? Oh, +5. +25 rank. Okay.